Let's be honest. These days, a personal phone number just doesn't scream professionalism for your business. It might be fine for your cousin's lemonade stand, but when you're trying to project a polished image, a dedicated business line is key. But here's the thing, traditional phone systems can be a nightmare. Confusing contracts, expensive equipment, and enough features to make your head spin. Not exactly ideal for the solopreneur or small business owner who just wants a simple way to sound impressive. That's where virtual phone systems like Grasshopper come in. They promise to give you all the benefits of a fancy office phone setup, without the hassle. But is Grasshopper all it's cracked up to be? Let's dive in and find out. First impressions. Setting up Grasshopper. Signing up for Grasshopper is a breeze. No credit card is required for the 7-day free trial, which is always a good sign. The interface is clean and user-friendly, and within minutes you'll be picking out a snazzy phone number. Grasshopper boasts a wide variety of numbers to choose from, including local and toll-free options. Vanity numbers, think things like 1-800 fix MYPC, are available for an extra fee, but even the basic options sound professional. Making calls and keeping things professional. Once you've got your number, making calls is as easy as using your regular phone. You can use the Grasshopper app or a web interface, and the call quality is crystal clear. But what truly sets Grasshopper apart is its ability to make you sound like a well-oiled business machine. You can set up custom greetings, so callers hear a professional message instead of your groggy voicemail. Grasshopper's hidden gem. Extensions. One of Grasshopper's coolest features is extensions. Even with just a single phone number, you can create a virtual receptionist menu. Press 1 for sales, 2 for support. You get the idea. This is a fantastic way to add a layer of legitimacy to your business, even if you're a one-person operation. Staying connected on the go. The Grasshopper mobile app is a lifesaver for busy entrepreneurs. You can receive calls and texts directly from the app, so you'll never miss a beat, no matter where you are. Plus, the app allows you to manage all your Grasshopper features, from greetings to voicemail, right from your phone. It's a level of convenience that traditional phone systems simply can't compete with. The not-so-shiny side of Grasshopper. While Grasshopper is fantastic for basic business needs, it's important to acknowledge its limitations. If you're a larger company with a complex call flow, you might find Grasshopper's feature set a little restrictive. For example, there's no video conferencing or built-in integrations with popular business tools. Additionally, some users report occasional glitches with the mobile app, which can be frustrating. Who is Grasshopper perfect for? So, who is Grasshopper the ideal virtual phone system for? Here are a few profiles. The solopreneur. If you're a freelancer or just starting out, Grasshopper is a cost-effective way to project a professional image without breaking the bank. The remote team. With features like call forwarding and extensions, Grasshopper keeps your team connected no matter where they're working from. The budget-conscious business. Compared to traditional phone systems, Grasshopper is a steal. The pay-as-you-go pricing structure makes it easy to scale your service up or down as your needs evolve. Overall, Grasshopper is a solid virtual phone system for small businesses and entrepreneurs. It's easy to use, affordable, and packed with features that will make you sound like $1,000,000. However, if you're a larger company with more complex communication needs, you might be better off exploring a more feature-rich platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.